Photosynthesis takes place in the organelle known as chloroplasts. Chloroplasts have thylakoid membrane where your chlorophyll pigments and other associated pigments are located, and then a gel-like cytoplasm called the stroma. So essentially, carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll pigment produces sugars in the form of glucose and oxygen. There are two stages in photosynthesis: the light dependent reactions. Your chlorophyll becomes excited, light energy is used to split water to oxygen, ATP, and the electron carrier NADPH is produced. In the light independent reactions, ATP and NADPH is used to eventually form sugars. So if we look at the light dependent, in other words, light energy must be necessary for this to take place. P680 or photosystem 2 is a specific type of chlorophyll pigment. When light energy hits, water is split to produce oxygen. As the excited photosystem comes down from its excited state, ATP is produced. Once again, photosystem 2, P700, or a special type of chlorophyll, becomes excited, and as the electrons come down from its excited state, NADPH, the electron carrier, is produced. So three important things happening here: ATP produced, the electron carrier NADPH produced, and oxygen produced from the splitting or photolysis of water. This is the non-cyclic, and this is the cyclic. Electrons return, and of course, this takes place on the thylakoid membrane, as shown here. In the stroma, we have carbon dioxide, and we use the ATPs produced as well as the electron carrier NADPH to eventually produce your glucose. Intermediate forms prior to the formation of glucose can be seen throughout this process. Carbon dioxide, rubisco, it's a protein, and the cycle is known as the Calvin cycle. This takes place in the chloroplast stroma.